just look at what politics of Nigeria is all about. When we say that politics is a game, truly politics is really a game. That the two elephants that was fighting in 2003 election, just look at them at the screen there. The two elephants that was like fighting, and we are like, Ejike Mbaka, you won the election. Ejike Mbaka won Enugu State governorship election. Peter Mbaka stole it. Why would they declare Peter Mbaka the winner? Why would we want a change? Labour Party, we don't want PDP again. This and that. And in the last general election in 2023, a lot of Nigerians vowed, sworn that there is no way PDP and APC is going to rule them again, that they want a better change. That is why Peter Obi contested for presidential race under Labour Party. After leaving the PDP, he switched into Labour. But I have always said this, when I say politics is a game, and when two elephants are fighting, the people that are suffering is the grasshoppers. The grasshoppers. These guys has really dealt with us. Just look at Ejike Mbaka. Assuming that Ejike Mbaka became the governor of Enugu State, you all have seen what it could have become, what it could have looked like. Thank God that the election was declared on the favor of Barrister Dr. Peter Mbaka. We have always said that politics is a game. It's a game of mind. Emara aku kwa isorokoro. Akoro ihe. Akoro baro na akpa. Akoro ju account. Akoro no. Akoro property. Akoro connection. But you all has always forget this. Urupu election get akwaya. Takwada ba. No nyaka ichoro. Look at Ejike Mbaka. Look at him and Governor Peter Mbaka. Look at him and Governor Peter Mbaka. He has already submitted to the leadership and to the governance of Barrister Dr. Peter Mbaka. Fully in support, they went to his house to tell him, formalities, they are just the same leaders. Onyerocha Commission or Chawa SSA. Onyerocha SSA or Chawa federal appointment or Chok OJ State House of Assembly or Chok OJ House of Rep. Burubura Akana running around, the same cabals, the same leaders, the same people running around with all our suffering, with whatever we have suffered to see that a Labour Party took over everywhere, even presidentially, even in senatorial seats, which we know that Southeasterners voted Labour Party massively to see that they come out victoriously and triumphantly, which God, by the special grace of God, that happened. They came out, both Enugu, Anambra, Abia, Imo, Ebonyi. A lot of things happened. A lot of people lost their life. A lot of people, there were a lot of injuries. Just look at what the thing has migrated to be. Ejike Mbaka, you all know, that say that nothing will ever stop him from being the governor of Enugu State. And he was taking Barrister Peter Mbaka to court, dragging him here and there, from Supreme to Tribunal, from this place to this place, from here to appeal. Look at him and Barrister Dr. Peter Mbaka. Won't you people learn from what we are learning from? That until these leaders start fighting themselves, start killing themselves by themselves with their own guns, we are not going to succeed in a better Nigeria. Mind you that Peter Obi is among these people. As many of you that are thinking if Peter Obi enter, assuming that Peter Obi was declared winner and he was being sworn in as the president of Nigeria, that things could have been better. Nothing could have been better. Things could have been worse than what we are experiencing now. If you think that entering the presidential Asarok is a bed of roses, let me tell you, there are cabals that we don't see. We don't even know their name. We don't even know that they are existing. That are in power, that are in charge of powers. That the dictator, that the dictatorship of the leadership of Nigeria. That is why Nigeria has been on standstill break. Standstill break. There's no moving forward. There's no going back. There's no U-turn. Nothing is going on in Nigeria. Everything is all about cabal, godfatherism. Assuming that the whole Nigerians will say one day we are not going to vote. There will be no election in Nigeria. Even the policemen, even the army, even the navy, even the air force, even the civil defense, even the boy scouts, even the man no war. All of them will join this crusade of there will be no election in Nigeria. All of them, because it is telling on everybody. The reason why I'm saying this, just imagine how much our dog go around the primaries, if you don't know. How much are this guy, right? This guy suffered a lot. He left PDP as nobody. This guy was being molested. This guy was being messed up. He was being messed up. He left PDP just for Barrister Dr. Peter Ndubisi to emerge as the sole candidate of the People's Democratic Party. And after that, he left PDP. Pata Sado was the original governorship candidate of Labour Party. I don't know what conspired. I don't know what went wrong. All we see that is now a Chijoke dog. And as from the look of things, from the look of things, and from some information that was coming, that his vote was hijacked. That he was the original governorship winner of the election that was held in 2023 Enugu State governorship election. Just look at him. They have humbled him. He's among the game. He's among the cabal. He's among the clique. He wants to become a godfather. He wants to become a dictatorship. He wants to become a stakeholder. He wants to be eating interest. And when are we going to learn from all these things we are experiencing? Tomorrow now, campaign will start, 2026. All of us will start shouting, oh Jebego, oh Jebego, oh Jebego, oh Jebego, Labour Party, oh Jebego, Labour Party, oh Jebego, Labour Party. All the Labour Party in State House of Assembly, all of them has defected to PDP. Go and check it. All the Labour Party in State House of Assembly has defected to PDP. I am even surprised that Governor Peter Ndubisi honored Chijoke Doga to this level. The day all these guys defected, everything that was prepared for them to come out in Opera Square, for them to be recognized officially, all of them was dissolved. All of them were Emefifo Maka. Emehiho Maka. When are we going to recognize that we are being marginalized by our leaders? We are being siphoned. We need God to pay us a solidarity visit. We need a handsome change. We need an optimistic God's intervention. How is this going to happen? God have not heard the voice of the poor masses. So before God intervened in the book of Judges, God intervened to hear the voice of the Israelites. They came to God in prayer. They prayed to God. They call on God. All of you voices is shouting Jonathan. Jonathan was the best president. During the Jonathan's time, they were selling bag of rice 10,000. Let me tell you, Jonathan have more better opportunity to make bag of rice to be 3,500 in Nigeria. What does it take Jonathan? What does it take Jonathan, a president that has the power in his hand, and you people are hanging your hands on Mbaka? Mbaka said from good luck to bad luck. The reason why we are suffering today is because what Mbaka preached. Mbaka said good luck to bad luck, that Buhari is a messiah. And somebody says that he's going to make your government ungovernable. We are looking at him as like a moron. A president that has the power of incumbency. He has every power to destabilize the past immediate president Muhammad Buhari. And all of you are saying, good luck, Jonathan. We are sorry, sir. We are sorry. Good luck, Jonathan. As I know, in my own best of knowledge, is the worst president Nigeria has ever experienced. Tell me all these PDP cabals that are fighting now to get back to power. What did they do during their own time? PDP held Nigeria down to this level of economic disaster. Because the experience what APC is facing now is as a result of the damage of what PDP has caused. It's as a damage of what PDP has caused in Nigeria. Because they entered into the system, they came there, everywhere was loopholes everywhere. Just look at the same leaders. Have you seen that Edoga has gone back to his party, official party? Now the Labour Party, assuming that Edoga was declared the winner of governorship election 2023. This guy will stay the camp from Labour Party and still go back to PDP. Let us be watching if Ala Igbo will not go to PDP or APC. Let us be watching, because all these House of Rep members in Enugu State, 7 House of Rep members, all these senators, Ezia, Kevin Chukwu, and it's only one PDP man, Osita, that won under Enugu West. And all the states, all of these guys, most especially, has defected to PDP and APC. Some of them is APC in federal, PDP in states, APC in states, PDP in federal. I don't know what, because of federal interests. I am telling you, akura ego, akura dollar, akura connection, akura ihe, akura next appointment. Even if after being a senator, that person has started planning to be a minister. That is what we are experiencing. And this thing will never stop happening until Nigerians take decision. This thing that happened that you people voted Labour, let it happen that you people will say there will be no election in Nigeria. Nobody will come out. The military, the police, the civil defense, the Navy, Air Force, everybody will join and say no. We don't want, even the judiciary level, we say no. We don't want any election to be held in Nigeria again. We don't want election. If Nigeria is going to be declared state of emergency, let Nigeria be declared state of emergency. Let a foreigner come and rule us. Because we have not understand what is happening. When they say politics is a game, it is a game of mind. It is a game that if you understand my language, so let us keep our hands on deck and see and watch the weather. The climate weather is fast changing. And let me tell you, if you think that things getting more better in Nigeria, forget that. Please, if you are going to run out to be a Ghanaian, a Cameroonian, to go and nationalize and be from another country, I am very, very sorry for those that are giving birth now. We are going to be saying sorry to our newborn babies. Sorry that we brought you in this kind of economical disastrous country. Because we're supposed to be sorry for them. Because we don't know what from now to the next 4 years will become in Nigeria. God forbid.